Hi, I'm EDYTA SITAR from Laundry Basket Quilts, and I am so looking forward to you enjoying our newest book, Pillow Talk. In the book, we have beautiful 25 pillows. With every one of them, you will learn a new technique and enjoy something fun and exciting and make a lovely project for your couch or your favorite chair. Some of the pillows in the book are done with fun techniques. One of them is English paper piecing, and we have beautiful charm paper for those pillows, hexagons and 60-degree diamonds. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun for you guys to make. We also have a lovely template that you will be able to cut from your own stash if you're not getting our pre-cut kits. So those templates will help you cut your beautiful fabric. For our kaleidoscope quilt, we have prepared acrylic templates to cut every single piece to make this lovely pillow. I am so excited about this one. Isn't that beautiful? Those shapes are a little bit different and odd, so using templates for cutting and also marking by noticing where the little points on a template is gonna make the work a breeze, and you will shortly have a gorgeous pillow to place it on your couch or your favorite chair. So sit back, relax, do some handwork with English paper piecing, and enjoy some of the lovely pillows that we have prepared for you. I can't wait to show you this one. That's the flower garden one that we just talked about it. Look at how cute it is. Or maybe your heart is set on diamonds. Girls, you would love this one, 60-degree diamonds. Also, this is gonna be using the paper and templates for cutting, and in no time you have a beautiful pillow that would illuminate in your household. Happy quilting, and I hope you enjoy your new Pillow Talk book.